The portable foldable electric wheelchair for adults with remote control presents itself as a practical mobility solution for those in need of enhanced independence. This wheelchair is designed with a focus on convenience and ease of use, appealing to individuals who require assistance while maintaining a degree of personal autonomy. At first glance, this electric wheelchair boasts a compact and foldable design, which allows for straightforward storage and transportation. Weighing in at a manageable level, it can be lifted or stowed away without excessive strain. The folding mechanism is often highlighted as a notable feature, enabling users to collapse the wheelchair quickly, making it suitable for various environments, such as home use, travel, or outings. A key attribute of this model is its remote control functionality. This feature offers users the ability to maneuver the wheelchair without the need for physical exertion, providing an added layer of convenience. The remote control is designed to be intuitive, allowing the user or a caregiver to operate the chair smoothly. This aspect could be particularly beneficial in crowded areas or when navigating tight spaces, as it enhances the user's ability to move with ease. The wheelchair is equipped with a sturdy frame and comfortable seating, aimed at ensuring safety and comfort during use. The seat is generally cushioned, which may contribute to a more pleasant experience for users who might spend extended periods in the chair. Additionally, the wheelchair's wheels are designed to handle various terrains, making it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. Operation of the electric wheelchair typically involves a straightforward process. Users can engage the power source and select their desired speed using the controls. The electric motors are engineered to provide a smooth ride, allowing for gradual acceleration and deceleration. Depending on the model, battery life can vary, generally offering sufficient range for average daily activities. In conclusion, the portable foldable electric wheelchair with remote control serves as a functional option for adults seeking greater mobility and independence. With its foldable design, intuitive remote control, and comfortable seating, it aims to meet the needs of individuals requiring assistance while promoting a lifestyle of freedom and accessibility. This product could be a valuable addition for those looking to enhance their mobility options.